Yeah, we're gonna put him in this
That,
cage.
yeah, that dark one there
Yes.
is nest mate to this one.
Nice.
But I put this one in as well.
Yes, please.
Yeah, mate. Nest mates.
Oh, so these are nest mates. Nice.
This is out of another pair. I'll show you. The father is a white or a red grizzle, but very light white. And the mother is a black badge.
Interesting.
That is two nest mates also.
Nest mates. Nest mates.
This is the second round of that.
Oh,
This is brothers and
siblings.
sisters
Oh,
there.
yes, yes. Then it turns around. So you
It's
say,
only on the one wing, eh?
oh yeah, on one.
The other wing has not got that white there.
So is it a black? Is it a?
I'll call it a black check dog. Yeah, black check. It's got that little bit of pattern here on the wing.
Oh yes, yes.
It's not a solid black.
So you said this one is a what? The color?
Chrome bar.
Oh.
Chrome with the 2 bars, and that one is a chrome check. You see, this is more black. This is more black. Well, it will turn out. It depends. I still have to go through the mold, the first mold, and then normally that's the color they'll keep.
Got it.
Now this one and this one on nest mates.
What? No ways.
Yes. Come on. That's the nest mates.
So these are nest mates.
No, I'm lying. I'm lying, sorry. This one. Sorry. Not that one. Those two.
Oh, so these are nest mates.
They are nest mates. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh,
I got it wrong.
so the parents, let me guess, you have a check and a white pet together.
Actually, those two are brothers and sisters to this. Chrome check and that tortoiseshell.
Oh,
The chrome and the tortoiseshell is the first round. Those two are the second round.
nice.
This two are nest mates. That one and that one. That's two nest mates. Out of 2 blackbirds.
Oh, and then you got a blue too.
The father is a black white flight and the mother is a black ball.
Nice.
These two are nest mates. Lily and a red.
Nest mates. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
That's
Yeah, can you also see more babies that are siblings? Babies that are siblings. Can you put them in here?
two on these mates.
Okay, that's fine. Let me take you. Oh, this one is beautiful. Oh no, it came out this side.
It's done. This two on his right. Right. Okay. Those two on these mates. Okay.
So this one is a saddleback.
Yeah, that's a saddle. But that's an older bird. I bred it last year.
Oh, is it?
Sort of a clay or a dun saddle.
Oh, it's a dun saddle.
Yeah, dun or some call it clay.
Oh.
The color of clay.
Sandy, right? This is a sandy.
Yeah. That's also an older one. It's on your previous video. Out of the young men keep the
This one is nice. Mealy.
The single baby.
Red bar. Wow. Wow.
Still a youngster, that one. Very young.
So it's a red.
Yeah, but you see, it has still molt.
Oh, yes, yes,
So I think it's going to be a darker mealy because I can't see a check pattern here. And I believe it will all be a bit darker like this colors here.
Oh, yes, yes.
And there's no real check pattern here. So I think after the mold it will be a sort of a darker mealy.
Is it me or there's blue, a little bit of blue?
Yeah, no, look, your mealy can be silver here, like that one there on top.
Oh, yes, yes.
You see, that's more silver sort of color. And then, it's not real blue. I won't call it blue.
Oh.
There's sort of a darker mealy. And this one here, close to a Dunbar, this one.
Oh.
mealy. That's a lighter mealy.
So does this qualify to be called a sandy?
That's also a sandy.
Oh.
And this one also. Sort of darker sandy. You get very light sandies. The darker sandies.
Lighter one.
Yeah. That's not really light, but it's so in between.
Oh.
These ones are dark, that's in between. I've got one at the back, I think that's more a light sand.
Got it.